Okay, so for the quotients, so I'm just going to do two examples, so 45 and 50. So we just look at the denominator, so it doesn't matter what's on the top. You just look at the denominator and you multiply by its conjugate, which just means you just change this middle sign. So we're going to multiply this by -1 minus 5i, and then I'd have to multiply the top by -1 minus 5i, because you don't want i's on the bottom. So then we're going to have to FOIL the top and the bottom. So then we'll multiply that, so it'll be -2 minus 10i positive 3i plus 15i squared. Okay, and then we'll do the bottom. So -1 times -1 is +1. -1 and -5i, that's +5i. And -5i. And then 5i times -5i, that's going to give us -25i squared. So then the I squared, so that's going to make this a negative. It's going to make this one a positive. Okay, so now we have 5i and -5i, so those go away. So on the bottom I have 1 plus 25, which is 26. And then -2 minus 15 is -17. And then -10 plus 3 is -7i. And then no number can go into 17, 7, and 26. So that's it. Okay, let's do number 50. So this one we would, so hold on, I just have to think really fast. Yeah. I think we should be okay. Okay, so we're going to multiply by √6 times -3i, which is the conjugate. So then I'm going to do √6 minus 3i, on top and on bottom, and I'll FOIL. So √6 times √6 is just 6, because it's √36, which is 6. So we're going to have -3i √6 and another -3i √6. And then that's going to give me +9i squared. Okay, and then √6 times √6 on the bottom is 6. Then we're going to have -3i √6 and then +3i √6 over -9i squared. So then the I squared changes this to a minus and then this to a plus on the bottom. And on the bottom those go away because one's positive and one's negative. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 6 minus 9 is -3. And then -3 and -3 makes -6i √6's. So these are like a term. So if we have -3 of them and -3 of them, that just makes -6i √6's. And then 3 can go into these three numbers. So it goes into there once, into the 6 twice, and onto the bottom 5 times. Now you'll notice though we only do it on the numbers outside of the roots. You can't do it underneath the root because these guys don't have roots. So that is our answer.